Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was the man who led India's struggle for independence against Great Britain. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Gandhiji studied law in London and went on to become a barrister. He then went to South Africa to work as a lawyer. At that time, the white people in South Africa were mistreating the natives and the Indians settled there. Gandhiji was distressed to see it and fought for their cause for more than 20 years. Gandhiji was a man of great courage and determination. Back in India, Gandhiji joined the struggle for the cause of the weak and the oppressed. He developed the concept of Satyagraha, the fight for establishing truth. The Indian population joined him in large numbers. He then practiced non-violence and urged his followers to practice the same. At that time, India was under the British rule, who were exploiting the people and resources of our great country. Gandhiji joined the Indian National Congress and began the peaceful struggle for freedom against the British Raj in India. He held many satyagraha and went to jail. The people of India followed him and fought against colonial rule. Gandhiji started the Quit India movement in 1942 against the British. He was arrested and later released in 1944. The British finally decided to withdraw from India in 1947. Gandhiji was deeply grieved that India was divided by the British into India and Pakistan. Gandhiji led a simple life and wore only khadi clothes. He urged the people to use the chakra to make cloth every day. The people of India loved him and called him Bapu. He was indeed the father of the nation. He was assassinated on 30th January 1948. Although he is no longer with us, his ideas and his teachings are an important part of our life. Mahatma Gandhi lived and died for the welfare of his countrymen. His strongest desire was for us to be Indians first and last.
वैष्णव जन तो प्रेमी कहिए वीर पराई ज्ञान रे सुख दूजे का हर कर भी अभी मानन मन में आने रे जनमानस की जो करे बड़ाई, जनमानस की जो करे बड़ाई, ना करे कभी बुराई रे। वचन करम मना पावन जिन के